See this?
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Yeah. I'll go and get some. Yeah. All right.
Oh, that looks
All right,
great.
Okay. Yeah.
Great. I think that must be the Hunslet 060 tank steam engine.
No, it's a packet.
Oh, it's a packet.
Yeah. Only two of them. London Transport.
Well, the London Underground.
All right. So you're all right then.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
Yep.
We'll run something up and down.
Okay. Thanks.
I thought that was like a motor car on that southern.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice.